Your critical operations run smoothly with Zebra Technologies' portfolio of durable industrial printers. Designed for years of rugged performance in harsh environments, Zebra printers and their advanced technologies provide your valuable physical assets with the digital voice needed to keep them visible and connected. Designed with you in mind and building on years of customer feedback, the ZT200 series industrial printers offer outstanding performance and advanced features not usually found in printers this affordable. Easy to use and maintain, these printers are fully backwards compatible. They can easily replace any of Zebra's best-selling Stripe and S4M models, as well as support other printer command languages via the Link OS Virtual Devices app. The ZT200 is Zebra's most affordable industrial printer, built with a high-impact polymer case. It features a simple 3-button user interface and 5 LED status icons for intuitive operation. The durable ZT200 has a metal cover with LCD graphical user interface for printing applications requiring more frequent format and printer setting changes. The ZT200 series has a streamlined design with a compact footprint that fits easily into tight areas, maximizing your valuable workspace. The printer height of only 11 inches allows for lower shelf placement. Further space saving is realized with a unique bifold door that requires just 4 inches of opening space. Multiple connectivity options are available on the ZT200 series. Serial and USB are standard. Ethernet, parallel, and Wi-Fi are optional. Icon-based status LEDs on both the ZT220 and the ZT230 provide easily visible error, pause, supplies, and network conditions. Tear-off, cutter, peel, and liner take-up options offer flexibility for a variety of applications. Media loading is intuitive and easy. The side-loading design eliminates complicated threading of supplies. A loading diagram and color-coded cues give first-time users visual guidance for loading ribbon and media, and the QR code links to online support videos. An illuminated movable sensor is visible through the media for trouble-free sensor position adjustment. Built with a durable metal frame, the ZT200 series will give you years of use in industrial environments. The helical gear drive system is designed for optimal performance with minimal maintenance, and the button pads are sealed for easy cleaning. Toolless platen and print head removal enables simple cleaning and replacement. Easy-to-install connectivity options and media handling options enable rapid printer changes and upgrades. And just 3 common tools are needed for basic on-site service, ensuring the ZT200 series gives you maximum uptime. Zebra's Link OS environment delivers enhanced capabilities to integrate, manage, and maintain your printer from any location on the planet. With a large and growing suite of apps, quickly connect new printers across various networks, configure multiple printers simultaneously, and monitor printer status to ensure maximum uptime. Off-site or centralized IT departments can integrate and maintain these devices via the cloud, further simplifying device management. The Link OS Software Development Kit enables simple and straightforward app creation to add an additional layer of business intelligence to your everyday operations. Link OS supports industry-standard event logging, making advanced device management immediately IT-friendly. Ease of use, versatility, and outstanding value. Whether you are adopting barcode technology for the first time, upgrading, or replacing older printer models, the ZT200 series is the right choice for a variety of printing applications. Zebra Technologies. See more, do more.